Hi, guitar players. It's time for another lesson. So do me a favor, give me a like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. This is going to be a good one. So we're going to talk about the numbers 1, 4, 5. You might have heard about that sometimes. It's things that musicians talk to each other in numbers sometimes. When you're in a band and let's say you're new to the band or you're just sitting in and they're playing a song and you're not quite sure what the next chord is, and maybe one of the guys will yell out a 5, or he'll go 1, he'll go 2, right? So, but that's based on is the scale. For example, let's just take an E scale, right? Right, so if we number those notes, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 would be the E, the 4 would be the A, and the 5 would be the B. So that's like kind of like a rock thing too, right? If you just kind of go. And you can play that in all different keys. The same numbers apply, right? So you can do G, 1, 4, 5, 4, 3. You start out with the root note. So I hope that helps. Let me know. Give me some feedback from you guys, okay? It's a very simple technique. You can go up and down the keyboard here, the fretboard, and try all different scales and number the notes on the scales. And then take those numbers and apply chords to them. That's really all it is to it, okay? Let me know what you think. Give me a like, subscribe. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.